Smokey eyes is an age-old concept women are literally obsessed with for so long. We all know the reason. The definition is so in-depth. The Kohl-rimmed eyes can do the talking more enchantingly than any of the verbal interpretations. So here I present the very conventional Indian version of brown and black smoky eyes that anyone can achieve. The first step is to outline the entire eyes with a black kohl in order to give the basic definition. Then I'm taking a brown eyeshadow, and this one is from Miss Claire, and I am patting it all over the eyelid before moving on with the brown kajal, and this one is by Color, very smooth and it just glides on the lid so easily. As you can see, all these initial steps are creating the basic definition for the smokiness that I'm looking for, and I'm going to smudge the applied kajal with the help of this smudger brush. This is an excellent brush too. This one is from Pro Art. I'll mention the number of the brush as well in the description section. And I'm also trying to wing it up because wing is the definition that just looks great on my eyes, so you can choose according to your eye shape. Next, I'm taking a similar kind of black eyeshadow also from Miss Claire, and I'm trying to intensify the already applied brown eyeshadow and eye pencil. See how the definition is being built up gradually and not suddenly, and that's exactly what I wanted. Slowly and steadily we are building up the definition. And see what just happened. It's a blunder any one of us can do at any point in time, and relax, we're going to fix it. See what I just did? I have taken a Q-tip and dipped it inside a micellar water, and very neatly I have taken it off, so nothing to worry. So here, as you can see, the kohl is being applied to intensify the smokiness with a very light-handed pressure. And right after that, cleaning the under eye area with the concealer is very important. Next, I'm going to take a highlighter. You can take any highlighter of your choice. You can also use a colored eyeshadow. But here I have taken the highlighter of mine and I've applied it at the inner part of my eyes to make it pop even better. After that, I move directly to the mascara, as the mascara application is considered to be very crucial in case of a smoky eye look, because they enhance the drama that we always seek from a smoky eyes. And as you can see, I am applying it very religiously on both my bottom and the top lashes, and yeah, I'm quite satisfied with it. Let me know what you think about it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.